Hello everyone. That's part number 2, and at this stage all lines are already pulled. The POC is identified, trenches are open, and multiple pipes may be running into the same trench. Before we start connecting anything, there are two very important things we always do first. The first step is identifying which pipe belongs to which zone. In residential installs, it's very common to have 2 or even 3 pipes running into the same trench. If you don't mark them properly, it's very easy to connect the wrong lines together. The way we do it is simple. One person stays on one end, another person stays on another end. We call out the zones one by one. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3, and mark them as we go. This way, every pipe is clearly labeled before any connections are made. This step saves a lot of confusion later. And the second step that we do right after lines are pulled is deal with irrigation wire. This is the best moment to do it because everything is still open and visible. We pull the wire from the POC to the valve box location and between valve boxes if there are multiple. Forgetting wire is one of the most common mistakes in irrigation installation. If you skip this step now, trust me, you will regret it later. Once pipes are marked and wire is taken care of, we can start making connections. In residential irrigation, we mostly work with a few basic connection types. These include T connection, elbow connections, straight couplings, and sometimes cross fittings. They all work with the same way, the only difference is the shape. At this point, we start assembling the pipe network. We connect the lines according to the layout and make sure everything lines up naturally in the trench. We are not forcing pipes into position. We let them sit the way they want to sit. This helps avoid tension in the system and makes the connections more reliable long term. Make sure all connections are properly clamped and secured before moving on. After the main line and lateral lines are connected, we move to sprinkler connections. There are two main ways to do this. The first method is using a saddle. This allows us to tap into the existing line and connect a sprinkler where needed. The second method is using a swing funny pipe coupler. This is used when a pipe run ends at the sprinkler location. In both cases, we use funny pipe to connect the sprinkler. Funny pipe gives us flexibility and protects the connection if the ground shifts over time. While making connections, we always keep hydraulics in mind, because every fitting, every turn, and every direction change affects on pressure and flow. Too many sharp turns or unnecessary fittings can reduce system performance. Clear routing and smart connections help keep pressure balanced across zones. So at this point, all pipe connections are completed and the system is fully tied together. Everything is ready for the next stage of the installation. See you in the next one.